Ego Amaka, money is good. I don't know who say money is the root of all evil. That person, you really need to recheck that statement again. Like, this is Zubby Michael birthday party and in Lagos, Nigeria, with over 8 million naira spent on the birthday. Every single big boy you can ever imagine that you ever know exists in the entertainment business was there. Everybody was there, from Emoney to Kcee, MDM, everybody, Rudeboy. The list is endless. Davido, and he celebrated the birthday massively. Well, I feel Zubby is someone who help people, and he always go out to support people. This is the highlight of his birthday party, and I'm starting it off with the visit of AdekunleGold to his Lagos mansion. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Golden boys of Africa. I don't tell you, golden boys. Who are the all set? Who are the only set? You all know. You want to kill all work. Life, I want to kill all work. That's good. Kill all work. Yes, sir. You want to put your dollar doing. And what about two? And what about two? You put your dollar doing. Dollar doing. Confirm. Somebody like Fredo, one time will go away. To go any lover boy doing. So I'm not even fair. Boy.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop. Now we
why they tell me what's up? I think they push me.
Okay,
BM go to the wall.
Zendara, happy birthday. Zendara,
Billion, electric money, fire,
My birthday. My birthday.
Everybody doing. Number one, authorities, sir. Number one. Boys.
It's like a big. It's like a big. I love you more, man. Real. It's like in the building. But just.
Hey, my broski. Happy fucking birthday, yo.
Some people will say it's sure. Some people will say it's useless. Why would they waste such amount of money when they can actually use it to, impact on people? Zubby Michael has helped a lot of people, and I remember in one of my video I posted where he promised over 100 Asaba youth empowerment of their choice, business wise, working wise, name them. He promised, and I know he is going to do it. There is no any other way you have to help the society if not through this means. And at the same time, we cannot help or change the society all at once. We just have to keep doing our part. Different contributes. Okay, see Davido, Chief Priest, name them. The list is endless. Everybody who came out for him. That is because he always come out for people too. Old Nollywood actress and actors were just scattered everywhere in the party. Anyway, drop a comment in the comment section telling me your thoughts. Enjoy a little snippet of the video again.